Hey everyone, it's Julian from Digital Trends, and I'm here with the new iPad Pro from Apple that just announced in Brooklyn, New York City. This is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and you can see the biggest new change is the design. You got much slimmer designs, bezels all around. There's Face ID, which is why there's no home button here, so you don't have Touch ID anymore. Basically, you just have to stare at this true depth sensor camera array just like you would with the iPhone 10 or 10s. And that's how you would unlock the phone. But one of the other key additions you might also see is that there's now a way to just magnetically attach the Apple Pencil to the iPad. So basically this is the second gen Apple Pencil. It's a little more expensive, but you're getting this ability to, you see this little side here is a flat edge rather than completely circular. And overall it feels kind of lighter, it feels more like a pencil than before, especially because it's not glossy as well, it's very matte texture. So notice this area as soon as I attach the pencil, right there actually, so you see it connected automatically and you can see the battery life as well. And that magnetic connection is very strong. And you can definitely won't be need to be afraid of it just falling off when you're walking around with it or something like that. And over here there's also the new smart connector. It's the keyboard, the smart keyboard. Basically, it doesn't look too different, but you can see on the back there's no smart connector here anymore. So Apple has moved it around. The connector is here on the back. So if we take a look at the back of the iPad Pro, you can see this is the new smart connector, so it doesn't seem like your old accessories would work, especially because this is a different size. Anyway, so speaking of this size, this is a positively massive iPad. It's very difficult to show it on one screen alone in the small space that we have. But basically, you're getting, this is a 12.9-inch screen, and it's an LCD screen. Slimmer bezels mean that it is bigger, it's smaller than the old iPad Pro. So you're getting basically the same screen real estate for a much smaller size experience. So it's very lightweight to hold. The flattened edges around the sides make it much more easier to grip. And bezels being slimmer basically makes it look much more modern and contemporary. You still have those 4 speakers on the all corners, and you can see the connector is also new. It's no longer a lightning port, it's a USB-C port. So now you can use it to charge your iPhone. Basically you can use it for a lot more things like connecting to external displays, and it's much more connector friendly. It's a SIM card slot for cellular. And over here you can see the power button alongside with the volume rockers over here. So I wanted to show you guys some of the cool new additions with the Apple Pencil. So essentially, if the screen is off, all you need to do is tap the screen and it automatically launches into the Notes app, so you can write notes and draw and whatever. Another cool thing is you can double tap on the pencil, so you can see it swapped to the eraser. You can erase it, double tap, switch back to whatever the last tool was or drawing, and double tap again to erase it. And you can customize this in the settings to sort of make it do a variety of things, and then third-party app developers will be also able to sort of do what they want with it. Overall, the performance-wise, you're getting the A12X Bionic processor. Sorry, we're just unlocking it here with Face ID, or just pin code actually. But basically you're getting the Apple A12X Bionic processor, which has 10 billion transistors. There's also a neural engine. Basically this should be the fastest iPad, maybe even computer that Apple says that you should be able to operate and do all of your tasks with. There's also 7-core GPU, so better graphics performance, and overall in general you're getting a way more PC-friendly package, or like a proper workstation that you can sort of do everything you want to do with this iPad, and especially with USB-C that sort of opens up this device to a lot more than before. So this is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Over there is the 11-inch iPad Pro, so that's the same size as last year's iPad, but the 11-inch It has a slightly bigger screen. It's the 10 versus the 10.5 inch from last year. So the 11 inch iPad Pro starts at $799, and the 12.9 inch starts at $1,000, and they all come with 4 sizes starting from 64 gigs to a terabyte actually, so a lot of space as well. So that's a quick look at the new iPad Pro, and we'll definitely be coming more in our site, digitaltrends.com.